Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy Claude responses. Want to copy Claude's answers without formatting issues? Here's how. Claude responses can be used for emails, notes, code, or documents. In 2026, copying the text from Claude is easy, but there are a few tricks to do it cleanly. So let's go step by step. First thing you want to do is to open your web browser, then you're going to type in Claude in the search bar, and then you're going to enter the website claude.ai. You're going to choose this website right here. And after that, you're going to hover over the response you want. For example, I'm just going to enter a prompt, like give me the three fastest cars. Three fastest cars. Like this. Cars with informations. This is just an example. I'm gonna click on enter, so it's going to give me the answer. It will search the web for answers. As you can see, this is the answer. I'm gonna wait for it to be written, and then you're gonna either select text manually like this. You're gonna select text manually like this, or you can click on the copy icon. As you can see it here, this is the copy icon. You're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna paste it where you need, either email, document, notes app, or even like this. As you can see, once I copy it, it's become part of the clipboard and I can paste it wherever I want. And don't copy partial answers by mistake. Some formatting may change after pasting, and paste as plain text if needed. And also double check before sharing. And that's how you copy Claude responses in 2026 cleanly and easily. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you then in the next tutorial.